Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a hand placement or an angle or a pose in which the hand is resting on the surface like that. So it's kind of like posed like that, and the fingers are on the surface. So this is the surface, and we're looking at it from the front angle. So to get started, we're going to put in a bell shape, and we always remind, please use very light strokes because it's very easy to make an error in this kind of exercise, especially one that deals with the anatomy. So this is this part of the hand right here, so like tilted up like that, and the wrist of course is it's going backward like that. So now we are going to put in a pair of knuckles. 2, 4. And the thumb, of course, is going to go somewhere here. Now we're going to do different things with this. So let's first get out the framework. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The reason for this is, like, some of you might be thinking that these are very like small for this part of the finger, so the finger extending right out of the knuckle, but we are looking at this from a certain angle, and there is a lot of foreshortening involved in this particular layout. So that is the reason why we have only so much of each finger showing. And of course the general principle is, when we are doing fingers, we have said it in other videos involving hand anatomy, that sausages are a good way to go about it. So 1, 2, and 3. And then of course we can connect them all, and we can give it like the little bulges between the skin right there, and make it detailed as we want. Right here we're doing a very small cut sausage. So 1, 2, and 3. Just do extended ovals, if not like sausage, but sausages are better because they will be easier to wrap up once we are done with the exercise. So the middle finger is showing just like so, and there's the knuckles, and of course the knuckles also, how much of them show and how much of them are evident depends on the anatomy of the hand the drawing is being based on, and not every hand's knuckles are as prominent from the same position, but we are going to just take that much in a generic setup today. So again, ovals or sausages, and there's the little one right there. And we go finally to the index finger, placed just that much apart. And visible only that much. And then it goes into the fleshy part of the hand right there, that is going to go into the wrist. And the thumb, now we can just show that much and it'll be fine. Now that is one way of putting down the details for this particular angle of the hand, but we can also go and do this. So, but we have to see the angle, so everything is going that way and we have to place the bend accordingly. And let's say that these are our finger folds right there, or joint folds. So the nail right there going that way and right here coming into view. So we keep going with the and these need not change. We could take these back as well if we want, place them backward, but they're still instinctively placed like that and it should be fine. Okay, and that is our little exercise for this particular hand pose. It can come handy for a variety of purposes. Could be a character's hand, a character like Spider-Man. This would be very instrumental, but it could also be for one of so many different pop culture or regular illustrations. So please do try it out. Do also check out the other videos that highlight similar hand placement but different angles. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.